Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Make images mobile responsive. First add a new image below the existing one. So its source attribute to FCC running cats. In this case we have image and add a new image below the existing one. Okay, image source equal to it would be great if the image could be exactly the width of our phone screen. Fortunately, with Bootstrap, all we need to do is add the image responsive class to your image. Do this and the image should perfectly fit the width of your page. In this case, we need a class equal to image responsive. Okay, let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.